Indoor plants are available in a variety of colors. One of the many classy colors is white. Though the number of indoor plants with white flowers is somewhat limited, we have compiled the best ones for you. Begonia Roseform White. This variety of begonias has flowers as big as a salad plate. Low maintenance, these are one of the many perfect indoor plants and require bright indirect light and well-drained soil. Amaryllis. This plant produces big, stunning white flowers. It grows best in well-drained sandy soil, full sun, and sufficient water. Anthurium White. Along with giving your room an elegant look, the easy-to-grow perennial, Anthurium species is proven to purify the air from toxic elements. Baby's toes. As the name suggests, this succulent looks exactly like a baby's toe. It requires typical succulent care, full sunlight and irregular watering. Christmas Cactus. This cactus flowers from November to January. Being a succulent, it requires bright indirect light, sufficient humidity, and soil with good drainage. Crown of Thorns. Another succulent variety, this plant is low maintenance as well. Drought and heat tolerant, it doesn't like to be kept in cold temperatures and can go without humidity. Persian Cyclamen. The Persian Cyclamen is a flowering herbaceous perennial that fits succinctly into the pot and can't withstand winters. Give it indirect light and water only when the soil is dry. Tango White. This deciduous flowering plant is drought and heat tolerant and is averse to cold. Plant it in a sunny area in loamy, well-drained soil and allow the soil to dry before watering. Cape Jasmine. This evergreen flowering plant is a delight. Its fragrant white flowers are perfect for a drawing room. It can grow well indoors since it is adaptable to growing in temperate climates. Widow's Thrill. This perennial flowering succulent grows best in temperate conditions, with partial shade. Plant it in the corner of your house for a new look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!